You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this international airport in the Netherlands. We'll be looking at how to say more Dutch pronunciations as well. Stay tuned. In Dutch, it's said as Schiphol, so you have to blow a bit on the hep sound. Schiphol. Schiphol is how it's said in Dutch. Now in English, it's more simply said as Schiphol. Schiphol. For the correct pronunciation, Schiphol. Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.